I created this entire storybook for my kids in less than 3 minutes, using only AI. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you can follow to make yours. Google just released a new Gemini feature that lets anybody create children's storybooks without any design skills for free. As a dad of 2, I experimented with this new feature a lot, so I'm gonna show you how to tailor it for your own kids. First, head to Gemini and create a free account if you haven't done it already. Next, go to the prompt field and start typing your prompt with the phrase "create a storybook." Next, give as much detail as possible about the reader. I want a story for my older son, so I'll give some details about him, his age, name and favorite color. Next, I'll define what I want the story to be, adding some extra details related to the reader. In this instance, I'm asking it to create a story for my son's socialization skills. I'll also state that he loves dinosaurs and cars. I'll click the Generate button and wait until the generation process is over. Gemini has finished. Let's see it. I love that the character is consistent from page to page, and the story itself is pretty nice and matches my prompt. And there is also this. You can have the AI narrate the story as well.
Rollo wasn't shy anymore. He was zooming his green car, laughing with his new friends.
I'm not sure how useful this is, but the option is available, so you can give it a try if you want to. And just a thought for Google's developers, why not let us record ourselves reading the story to make the experience even more personalized? I also like that you can ask for refinements. For example, I'll ask Gemini to include my other son in the story as well. Let's take a look. Nice! We've got an additional blue dinosaur taking part in the story. Finally, you can share the story on social media if you want to by clicking this button here. Or just print it to read before bedtime. However, I couldn't make this specific feature, the print feature, work. So let me know if you succeeded. There is also a hidden feature that most people miss: reference images. I'll show you. I'll ask for a storybook related to the summer holidays I just had with my family. Again, I'll start with the create a storybook phrase and then give as much context as possible. So, I'll tell the AI what happened during the holidays, and most importantly, I'll also upload this picture of our family to Gemini by clicking this button. This way, I'm instructing the AI to create illustrations that look like the image I have just uploaded. Isn't it awesome? Yeah, there are some minor flaws. I look a bit more muscular than I really am. And yeah, who's the other kid in the back? Aside from these tiny mistakes, it looks great and everything I asked for is there. So yeah, you can have images of your kids participating in the stories as well. Cool, right? And this new Gemini feature is not just useful for personalized stories, but also for explaining hard-to-grasp concepts to young kids. For instance, I'll ask the AI to generate a storybook that explains the concept of photosynthesis to 5-year-old kids. Let's once more import an image just because and ask Gemini to utilize it in the story. And there you have it, the story that explains photosynthesis, perfect for a 5-year-old to understand, that looks like the uploaded image. Finally, it's worth mentioning that this new feature supports multiple languages other than English. I tested it with Greek and it worked like it's supposed to. Unfortunately, the audio narration was a bit robotic, but I believe this will improve eventually. If you loved what Gemini can do, why not try Google's other free AI tool, Notebook LM? The latest update lets you turn any document into a video presentation. Tap the video on your screen to see it in action. Till the next time, see you!